My name is Brandon Nelner, and today I'm talking about VMware Lab Platform. VMware Lab Platform is actually the core service that we're using here at the Hands-On Labs to deliver all of the lab content. It's the main architecture, the engine and automation that we're using for delivering the lab experiences here at scale. And it's a commercial SaaS service that we have available for our customers that have very similar use cases to what VMware has for training and education of their own content. So if you have training experiences, software that you want to train against, or even solutions that you need to train against, you can use VMware Lab Platform for delivering your own training content. Set up your infrastructure, and then we can automate that end-to-end for delivering on-demand training, virtual classroom experiences, proof of concept demos, or even sandbox training environments for things like cybersecurity training, or really any types of training experiences you're looking to deliver. VMware Lab Platform can do it.